How to delete Telegram account from Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to delete Telegram account from your Android, simply first of all launch the Telegram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Next, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on the settings option over here. As you tap on settings, just scroll down to the very end until you see the option of Telegram FAQ. So tap on Telegram FAQ and all you have to do is just scroll down and under the option of your account over here, under this category, you can see the option of delete your Telegram account over here. So tap on delete your Telegram account. So it will lead you to a new page where you can see how do I delete my account. So here you can see there's an option of deactivation page written in a blue color. So just tap on that blue text and it will land you to a new page where you can delete account or manage apps. So here you just have to mention your phone number and then tap on next and it will send you the verification code on that particular number. So you just have to verify that and you'll be able to deactivate or delete a Telegram account from your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.